Welcome to Design, Draw, Create. Keep watching to see how to make this thank you card. Shown here are the supplies that you'll need to make this card. I've linked all of the specific items that I use down in the description box below. The first step is to use your pencil to draw out the design. I used a ruler to make sure that my lettering was perfectly straight, but again, this step is optional. You can also use the link to the free template that I have in the description box below, which will make this step really easy. Once you have the design drawn out in pencil, take your thin black pen and trace over both of the words. I decided to go over the words twice just to make the lines a little bit thicker. Once you're happy with the words and the thickness of the lines, the next step is to outline the petals of the flower. I turned the card to make this a little bit easier, but do it however you wish. Then use the same color pen to color in the petals. I decided to color in the petals and outline them for a second time, just to make the blue a little bit darker and more saturated. Once you're happy with how your flower is looking, the final step is to add the rhinestone in the middle of the flower. I always first place my rhinestone to make sure I get the positioning right, and then once I'm happy with it, I use my glue and I glue it on. Finally, if needed, you can use an eraser to erase some of the pencil lines or any of your previously used pens to do any final touch-up. And once that's all complete and the glue is dry, this thank you card is complete. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself.